Hello, and welcome to today's lesson, where we will simplify the fraction 14 over 18 into its simplest form. When we simplify fractions, we are looking to find the greatest common factor of both the numerator and denominator. Let's start by understanding what a factor is. Funds that multiply together to give another number are called factors. Now, let's find the factors of the numerator, which is 14. The factors of 14 are 1 times 14 and 2 times 7. Next, we'll find the factors of the denominator, which is 18. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. The greatest common factor, or GCF, is the largest number that is a factor of both the numerator and the denominator. Let's identify them first. We see that 1 and 2 are common factors of both. From that list, we can tell that the greatest common factor is 2. With that GCF of 2, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2 to simplify. Let's calculate that. This process can be repeated for any fraction to reduce it to its simplest form by first finding common factors, and then finding the greatest. Finally, divide both the numerator and the denominator by that greatest common factor.